Hello guys, welcome to VJ Techno. Today we are going to discuss about three things in React.js tutorial. First one is how to add React to our website within 1 minute. Okay, and then how to upgrade to the latest version and how to allow dev to access that file URL. These three things we are going to discuss in this video. Without installing Node.js or NPM modules, we can easily add our React app to your website within 1 minute using the below script. Okay, just copy these two script lines and paste it on index.html. The rest will be handled by React.js. Okay, we do one sample program in Visual Studio Code. Now I have two files, react.demo.html, react.demo.js. Okay, now inside that body tag, I'll paste the two script lines and then I'll create one div tag id equal to a. Okay, now let's go to react demo.js. Now I'll create one constant variable and I'll give a content hello world using react dot render method. I'm going to render this content hello world in that html file inside this div tag. Okay, we need to pass two parameters in this react dom.render function. First one is that variable. The variable holds this content. Okay, and where to place that content? We want to place that content inside the div tag. So the div tag we created id and we give the value as a. Okay, so I just call that id by using document dot get element by id and the attribute value of a. Now React can easily find out that element by using that id along with that attribute value. Okay, and then it's render the content from that variable of constant v hello world. Okay, this is the process and this is the flow of rendering that content in HTML from React.js application to index page. Okay, now I'll run this code.
It's showing some error because we didn't import the JS file in this HTML page. So I'll import the JS file.
I'm going to run that code. Just go to run and start debugging. That hello world content rendered in that HTML page perfectly. Okay, but in the debug console it shows some warning because as in React.js 17th version and 16th version, we have the syntax for rendering the content in index.html. We use that react dom.render, but as per that upgraded version of React 18, because we called that script of React 18 only, so we need to change that syntax. I'll just comment it out and I'm going to change the syntax. As per the React 18th version, we need to create a root first. Okay, constant root equal to react dom dot create root. We need to create a root for that HTML element. So now I'll call that HTML element document.get element by id. Okay, and then once we created the root, we use the root object to render that content. That's it. See the difference between the two versions. In React 16th or 17th version, we use the react dom.render function to render the content. But in React 18th version, we need to create a root for that element which we want to show the content. Currently, we need to show the content in div tag and the div tag has the attribute value of a. So I'll just call that element and I'll create a root for that particular div tag and then I'll render that content hello world in the div tag. Okay, this is the flow of executing that program in React 18th version. Okay, now let's check whether the React developer tools find this website made up of React or not. So I just click the textures and click the React developer tools. It shows this is a restricted browser page because we don't give an access to React developer tools for accessing that file URL. Okay, now I'll give an access. Go to manage extension. Here you have an access, allow access to file URLs. Just enable it and come again, refresh that file page. Now click that extends. See, now it shows this page is using the development build of React. Okay, that's all guys. In upcoming video we will discuss about how to create a React app using Node.js and npm commands. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then only you get a notification whenever I'll post a new video.